Hi everyone, this is my sister's wedding day vlog for her venue. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. We are at the waterfall. This is my sister's wedding venue that she's getting married at, and they are having an event today. So I just wanted to show you guys all types of meats and cheeses and sauces and breads. I should have brought Mark. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Wedding planning things. Alright, so where do we go? This is beautiful.
Let's see what.
Oh, this is your first time. Sorry. Yeah, it's my first time. Bye, everybody here. Tootie, her mom, her cousin. Say hey to the Insta. Tootie, turn around real quick. This is the bride to be. Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
This is gorgeous. Oh my god. I haven't been here. Oh, that's the bar. You know where to find me at. They really snapped. This is gorgeous. All right, Court, what are you showing me next? Bride to be. Oh, this is so decent. Taco bar, look at that. Her wedding is gonna be so beautiful. Oh my God.
I need everyone these cakes, you hear me?
Okay, they're beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Yep, so usually we don't include like a buttercream style cake. It really can range from anything. There's some pictures too as well.
Cousin Andy, how are you? So we paid for it ourselves. We wasn't balling out like this. Balling. All right, come on. We gonna circle back and come back around, or everybody's looking at it. Nobody wants to touch it because it's so beautiful.
I'll touch it.
I mean,
All right.
come on, let's walk around. Bruh.
Looks amazing.
That does look amazing.
What's that? Salmon.
It's really good. I don't think we're supposed to cut that ourselves.
Yeah, you are. That's why he put the thing in.
Oh, are we? Oh, you just help yourself. Oh no, they shouldn't have told me that. That's my little sissy. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. Off of. Oh, this is so. Is that bacon wrapped with chocolate?
Chocolate covered bacon?
Woo!
Is that chocolate covered bacon?
Yes, it is. Oh my goodness.
Really?
This is a setup. I wasn't even supposed to come here for this. This looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Here's yet another station. Wow. He's coming too? Mm-hmm. What's over here? You're fine. Girl, me either. Korean. Soul food, yeah. Yes. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, sorry, excuse me.
The Korean station. What station is this? Look, the Carmen Brisky.
This is so decent. Girl, this is so decent. And this is the steakhouse station. Oh, you have to pick 6 out of all of these? Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. I love your hair.
Thank you.
She is killing it. Yes.
Wakanda forever.
Okay, honey. She said Wakanda. I cannot. You better stop playing. Is this the salad station? Oh, mashed potato station? What? This is just for mashed potatoes? Oh, wow.
Oh, the macaroni. Well, I didn't pick any.
Okay, the macaroni at both the stations looks amazing. I'm like, somebody's grandmother working here. This is gorgeous. I don't know what direction to go either. I just want to like grab a handful of bacon. That looks good. I know. All right, Courtney. So as you said, all the food here is free. Everything. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go to the store and grab a container. Just want to verify. I saw the Save a Lot on the way here. Okay, we can do that, definitely. What is that, pizza station?
Yeah.
Look at that picture. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. Find yourself. These pictures don't even look real. These look amazing. Oh my God.
Nice camera.
Thank you.
Yeah, G7X is a top
Yes, I love this. I'm a YouTuber.
dog. Is that the one that goes with the flip screen?
Yes.
Flip up? So you do like vlogging?
Yes, I do.
Right.
And she brought me here. This is my first time, and I'm like, this is amazing.
Congratulations.
This work is awesome.
If you guys are interested in seeing more of our work, we're just collecting email addresses today, and we're also sending a $50 coupon.
Okay.
Courtney, look at
Do you do like professional photo shoots also
Yeah.
besides weddings?
Yep.
I might have to get your
Yeah,
information.
we do portfolios, and we do a lot besides photography. We do about 40 weddings a year.
Wow.
The rest of it is models and professional headshots.
I'm going to put my information right down now for
Yeah, give
you.
me your email address. I'll send you guys info.
Yes, this is one of the stations that are included. Yeah, you can have it. We also we do raviolis as well. So
They got a little bit of everything. And you can literally just take what you want. Like, this is... The DJ station here. This is gorgeous. And the dance floor. All these different stations in here.